Every journey begins the same way. Not with excitement, not with courage. It begins with distance. Earth doesn't disappear all at once. It shrinks, slowly, quietly. Cities collapse into continents, continents into color, color into a pale dot that keeps pretending it matters. No alarms, no drama. Just the low vibration of engines doing what they were built to do. This is how leaving actually feels. Less like escape, more like subtraction. The spacecraft is not elegant. It is not inspiring. It is functional in the way hospitals are functional. Every surface is padded, every edge rounded. Not for comfort, for mistakes. Windows are small, views are limited. Space is something you glimpse, not something you're invited to admire. Days stretch, sleep floats, time becomes a suggestion. You stop thinking in hours. You start thinking in velocity. Mars appears slowly, like something you weren't meant to notice. A rust-colored presence filling more of the window each day. Heavy, silent, indifferent. And then, ahead of it, drifting awkwardly, is its moon. This is Phobos, a captured asteroid, misshapen, scarred. A moon with no intention of being impressive. It is not stable. It is not permanent. Naturally, we built something here. The laboratory is not placed on the surface. It is embedded, anchored deep into the rock, drilled and bolted into something that barely qualifies as a moon. There is no sense of landing, only the sudden absence of motion. Inside, air hums. Systems click. Everything sounds alive enough to trust. Barely. Mars fills the sky outside, impossibly close and completely unreachable. You are here, but not meant to stay. Movement is careful, deliberate. Too fast and you drift. Too careless and you don't stop. Corridors are narrow, corners padded, handholds everywhere. Sleeping quarters are small, not uncomfortable, just honest. There are no decorative choices here. Everything exists because it must. Most of the work is observation. Sensors listening to a moon slowly tearing itself apart under Mars' gravity. You watch, you record, you wait. Silence presses in. Your thoughts get louder. Leaving Phobos is efficient. Phobos does not resist. The laboratory recedes into shadow, bolted to a moon that will not survive geological time. Mars remains, watching, unchanged. Your ship turns away, carrying you somewhere designed for people who need to feel slightly less alone. The Mars Transfer Hotel orbits between Earth and Mars, close enough to feel progress, far enough to feel stranded. This is not a destination, it is a pause. From the outside, it spins gently, a rotating ring designed to convince your inner ear that gravity still exists. Inside, you feel the motion constantly, a reminder that nothing here is still. There is no grand lobby, no welcome, just information. Gravity percentage, radiation forecast, expected departure window. Your room curves inward, walls soft, light muted. A wide window frames Mars, suspended and distant. The bed restrains you gently. Sleep comes eventually, not because you're tired, because there's nothing else to do. The recreation space is the most human part of the hotel. Soft lighting, slow music, exercise equipment designed for bodies that don't quite trust gravity. People float, walk, drift. Some stare out the windows longer than necessary. No one talks much. There are games, screens, simulated Earth environments, forests, beaches. Gravity you can turn off. They help, but not completely. Eventually, everyone finds their way to the observation lounge, a wide panoramic window, Mars filling the view. No commentary, no screens, just distance. People measure the planet silently, as if proximity alone might mean something. It doesn't. Eventually, the ship calls you back. Departure times shift. Delays happen. Nobody panics. You leave lighter than you arrived. Not physically, mentally. The hotel continues its rotation, waiting for the next group of travelers who think they're going somewhere. Space does not welcome us. It allows us to pause. Phobos will fall apart. The laboratory will be abandoned. The hotel will keep spinning until it doesn't. And still, we will keep coming. This has been Vanish into Vastness. Not because these places belong to us, but because they never will.